Hey everyone, Camian Larson here, home design and renovation coach in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon, working out of my car today. So I'm here to talk to you about what a renovation coach is and one of the major things that I do. So in my years of being a contractor and a consultant, one of the things that was consistent across the board in helping people with their homes was being able to ask the right questions and being able to lead them to the answers that they already knew. It wasn't about me. It's not about what I think you should do. It's about me providing answers and insight and knowledge as to what products or processes are going to work well for your lifestyle and your budget. So with each element that you're looking at having to choose for your home, so say you're doing a kitchen remodel, well, typically you're going to be looking at flooring, cabinets, countertops, faucets, fixtures, lighting, hardware, and appliances. There's some other things, but let's just kind of backsplash material. But generally speaking, that's what you're going to be working on. And so the contractor or your suppliers, whoever it is, they're going to be asking you a lot of questions. They want to know what you need. That's how they're going to put their quotes together. That's how they're best going to be able to serve you. And so the best thing you can do as a homeowner is to really be honest with yourself. So decide what's most important to you. Is it cost? Is it aesthetic? Is it functionality? Or is it maintenance? Now, obviously, in a perfect world, we would have materials that would fit all four of those categories beautifully, but that's not usually the case. So you need to decide what's most important to you and whoever else is going to be helping you make these decisions or living in the home. So really think about your lifestyle. And if you do that, I think you're going to have a much easier time answering a lot of the questions that come from remodeling your home. All right, have a great day. Hope that was helpful.